Coinbase versus PayPal. Is Coinbase better than PayPal for buying Bitcoin? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Coinbase and PayPal to see which platform is better for buying Bitcoin, especially if you're just starting out. Buying Bitcoin on PayPal. PayPal lets you buy Bitcoin directly inside the app. It's super easy to use since most people already have a PayPal account. However, there are some limitations. You cannot transfer your Bitcoin out to an external wallet. Your Bitcoin stays inside PayPal. Fees can be higher, especially on smaller purchases. Good for beginners who just want quick exposure, but not great if you want full control. Buying Bitcoin on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. You can buy Bitcoin with different payment methods: bank transfer, debit card, PayPal in some regions. Unlike PayPal, you can withdraw your Bitcoin to an external wallet, giving you full control of your crypto. Coinbase fees vary depending on payment method, but are usually lower than PayPal's for larger amounts. Key differences. Ownership. Coinbase lets you truly own and move your Bitcoin. PayPal doesn't. Ease of use. PayPal is simpler for beginners, but Coinbase is still very beginner-friendly. Fees. Coinbase is usually cheaper, while PayPal charges higher transaction fees. Shash final verdict? If you just want quick and simple Bitcoin exposure, PayPal might be fine. But if you want to actually own and use your Bitcoin with the ability to transfer it out, Coinbase is the better choice. That's it for today's video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto comparisons and tutorials. Coinbase